Yeah.
On the way to
Airport. Yeah. It's heavy.
I can't believe it. We walked literally like 15-20 minutes from our Airbnb. Let's go! On our way to the airport now, closer. We made it at the airport.
And we're back on the airport.
On our way to Milan.
Pizza.
Pizza,
Pasta.
pasta,
Coffee. Espresso.
and museums. Malpensa Airport is here.
I'm tired now.
Mr. uses muscles to bring all this two luggages. We're almost at our destination, hopefully.
Yeah, hopefully.
Then one more bus after this.
That's right. And we're gonna get there.
Bye bye train. On our way to take a bus. People over there dancing, practicing in the subway, but it's so huge.
We're on the tramway.
Hello.
Hi.
We're at the Airbnb and it's beautiful. Look at that. Wow. And then the bathroom here. It's so cute. Yes. So we have got to our Airbnb. Now we're on our way to eat.
Eat something Italian.
Yes, exactly. So see you later. We just finished eating at a restaurant near our Airbnb and we're gonna just take a little walk. So we have pasta and then we have margherita pizza.
Which is a classic pizza.
Cheesy pizza. Oh my god, look at those buildings. Like the architecture. It's beautiful.
Yes, it is.
Okay, we're enjoying your walk. Have a good day. Peace.
Ah. Is it good?
Thank you. It's yummy.
Welcome.
So gelato, we have a mango, which is just mango, and then strawberry is
Fragola.
fragola. Nom 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 nom. And like still dessert, and there's no nuts. Literally, guys, a trick that I did is, in notes, I wrote the sentence that says I'm allergic to all the nuts, and I showed pictures and I put all X's. So I'll show you guys and later on. But
Best thing.
the best thing because right now, so far, nothing. We're good.
Let's go home.
We're back at our Airbnb after a nice walk, and we passed by a gelato place, so we decided to bring it back home
Yeah.
and finish our night to plan out
Have a
Milano's
small dessert.
exactly, and plan out what we're gonna do tomorrow in Milan. Bye guys, that's a real good night. Up to tomorrow's adventure. Practicing our Italian.
Let's say them all again. When meeting and leaving friends.
Anyways, that's good.
Ciao.
Ciao, ciao.
First and only full day in Milan today, so we're heading out. out. We slept until around 8:30 and got up and got ready. So now we're going out. We're out.
We're back. Here we go again.
On our way to the Milan Central now. We made it to the subway in one piece and not too lost. Pretty okay. So there's
More easier than Paris, that's for
so
sure.
in Italy there's like train, there's also subway. It's both separate, and buses
And tram.
and tram. Bus and tram, yeah. So 4 things,
It's not the same thing.
4 different things.
First, I guess you can call it a panini.
Literally, we just came out from the subway. We're out and we're at the Duomo. Right there. Yes, so let's go to the front and take pictures. Oh my god, it's a bird infestation. Look at that. Look at that, so many birds. Guys, beware.
Yo, they hustle you any kind.
Everywhere. So basically, we got corn.
And corn?
Yeah, it was corn.
Yeah, corn. He gave us corn.
He gave us corn and like we had to put our hands up and for pigeons to eat it. But the thing is, then they hustle you. They asked us for 20 euros. We're like, no.
I'm like, yo, I ain't giving you 20
we
euros.
just
Are
gave
you crazy?
We just gave $2.
No, I just gave him one.
One.
I just gave him
Oh,
€1.
okay, that's fine.
That's it.
That's
Hey,
fine.
that corn cost less than €1. Come on.
Exactly.
I ain't gonna. And he asked after
And
for a
he-
picture.
And he kept trying to take the phone. I was like, no, no, no.
Well, good thing you didn't give it to me.
Literally, this is what they tried making us pay for. I have to admit, it was kind of cool, but he was gonna take my phone away. We are in Milan.
Milano. I don't even know what to take.
Ordering his hot drink. Mickey's
We always gotta try McDonald's.
everywhere. After watching all that germy hustle,
Yes. Oh my god, that was
you're gonna
a thing. That was a
and
thing.
grab a drink at McDonald's in Italy. Oh my god, they sell beer at McDonald's. Beer.
Beer.
We are in another part of Milan exploring. We're going to a park
Yep.
and gonna have a little stroll for the 2 of us. Hello.
Hi.
I'm having a walk now. Parco Sempione. So this is where we're gonna be walking and enjoying. There. Our little walk time. Bye.
We'll find out.
Yeah, so going on a trip is really tiring. It's beautiful here, but except, yep, water. We totally swim in it. So yeah, let's have a walk and see what there is.
Ciao. Hop, hop, yeah.
So we're taking a nice walk in a park. Hey, on our way back, we're gonna go to the Airbnb, but we're gonna pass by the grocery store.
That's right.
Yes.
Gotta go prepare.
So that's where we're gonna head to. See you in a bit.
Peace.
That way. Milan has their own little apple right there. Our mission right now is to try to find a supermarket and then find the 5 bus. We got some groceries and we're gonna be eating a little bit before we head out to Rome tomorrow. Thank you for your hard work.
I'm tired.
You're amazing. You know that?
Yeah.
After another nap, I get treated with watermelon. Thank you, Dopey. Look here. We are yet again packing, so we are heading to Rome tomorrow. It's gonna be an exciting adventure. We're gonna be there for 4 days and see. Yes, looking forward for that. Maybe we're gonna see some film spots. Have a good night. That was today in Milan. And off to Rome.
Yeah, let's go.
So today we're gonna be heading to Rome. We're gonna go take a train at Milano Central. So we're off. Hello guys, thanks again for watching my other video. It means so much to me. If you really like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. Don't forget to put on the notification bell because then you'll hear more from me. In terms of my Korea plans, I just recently sent in my visa application, so I should be hearing back from them soon. I will be actually making a video talking about my plans for the next few years, as well as what I've been doing in Montreal since I got back. And I hope you enjoy the next video, which is going to be about Rome. So see ya! Thanks again!